how to check motherboard model. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our desktop, and then on the search bar just search for system information and then click open. After that, all you have to do is to look for your motherboard right here. So you should be able to see it in this part. So as you can see, the baseboard product right here is goldfish underscore MTH. So that is my motherboard right there. However, if you don't see it, what we are going to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for CMD and then click run as administrator. After that, in this part, once you are now here, what we are going to do is to just type WMIC baseboard get. And then once you enter that, you should now be able to see your baseboard model or your motherboard model. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to check motherboard model.